Press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss a video from News Laundry.
There's news, there's sense, and there's nuisance. Guess what this show is all about?
इस भूत का नाम है रिपब्लिक भारत.
Nuisance. Over the past 2 years, we've had a lot of fun making fun of bhoots. But at some point, it all stops being funny. The joke just stops being funny.
तुम्हारी जहरीली खिचड़ी को चम्मच में लेके तुम्हें ही खिलाऊंगा मैं.
Zehreeli Khichdi. There couldn't be a better name for your news debates, Arnab. TV news anchors like this guy have become complete lapdogs for those in power. They militate against the very idea of journalism, which is to be the voice of the weakest, most powerless sections of society. This week, on September 29, a 19-year-old Dalit girl died. Let's call her Asha. Asha had been battling for life for 2 weeks after she was abducted, gang raped, and left to die in the fields of Hathras in Uttar Pradesh. The incident happened on September 14th. Asha, her mother, and her brother left from their house as usual at 9 a.m. to cut grass. Asha's mother is hard of hearing and suffers from pain in her ears. She had stuffed cotton balls in both her ears when they went out for work that day. After some time, Asha's brother went back home, and Asha and her mother continued to work in the field. Then, when Asha's mother was about to leave, she turned around to see that Asha was not next to her. She thought Asha had gone back home. But then she spotted her blue slippers lying upside down. She saw footprints and signs of dragging around Asha's slippers. And then she saw her daughter. My daughter was lying naked with her tongue protruding from her mouth. Her eyes were bulging out and she was bleeding from her mouth, her neck, and there was blood near her eyes. I also noticed bleeding from her vagina. I quickly covered her with the pallu of my sari and started screaming. Maybe my daughter screamed, but I couldn't hear her because I cannot hear well. Imagine the pain of this mother, the trauma that she went through. Imagine what primetime news anchors were discussing on the day she lost her daughter.
मुझे 302 का केस चाहिए. 302 का.
302 है अर्नब, हलवा नहीं है जो बट रहा है. In the SSR case, AIIMS has ruled out the possibility of poisoning and the CBI has set the inquiries on. That's it. That's all that there was to this non-story. That's the only development in the saga, and Arnab decided to ignore Asha's death for this non-story on Republic Bharat. Anjana joined in.
सुशांत केस का पूरा सच सामने कब आएगा?
I don't know Anjana, लेकिन आप लोगों का पूरा आधा सच सामने आ चुका है. पत्रकारिता छोड़ो.
इनको आता ही नहीं है.
रोहित जी was probably on छुट्टी that day क्योंकि बॉलीवुड पे हल्ला बोलने से पहले अंजना ड्रग्स का दंगल कर रही थी.
और क्या बॉलीवुड में ड्रग्स वाली हीरोपंती नहीं चलेगी?
You had 2 hours, Anjana. 2 hours. You could have easily dedicated 1 hour to the shocking circumstances around Asha's murder and even more shocking failure of law enforcement agencies and a government that is supposed to provide governance. This is a story about governance that you should have focused on instead of some cock and bull story about कौन कहाँ कब drugs ले रहा है, all of which you have no facts for. Ironically, here's what Anjana had said back in 2016.
अगर आप खबरों से जुड़ेंगे, मुद्दों से जुड़ेंगे और अपने आसपास जो भी हो रहा है आंखें खुली रखेंगे और अंदर कहीं एक संवेदनशील व्यक्ति होगा जिसको लगेगा कि कतार में जो आखिरी व्यक्ति है उसके लिए सवाल का जरिया आप बन रहे हैं, अपने आप आग निकलती है और आपको वो खींचती चली जाती है. तो एक खबर जिसको कवर करने पर मुझे बहुत गर्व महसूस होता है वो निर्भया कांड है.
अंजना, कहाँ गई तुम्हारी आग? और कतार के आखिरी पर्सन को छोड़िए, आप तो कतार में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है. Shame on you, Anjana, as a journalist and as a woman. Next up, RSS. Remember, by the time he aired his show, we knew that Asha had died.
Viewers, the day's biggest headline today comes out of the Sushant Singh Rajput case.
Actually, no. The day's biggest headline was a young girl's life being snuffed out at a hospital in Delhi because she was denied timely medical care and justice. But go on.
107 days after his mysterious death, the forensic panel of the prestigious All India Medical Sciences Institute has not ruled out homicide.
So, The biggest headline is that something has not been ruled out, but it hasn't been conclusively proved either. RSS, this is a bit like saying neurologists have not yet ruled out whether this man is brain dead, even though no one has bothered checking yet, but it cannot be ruled out unless you are checked. So, in Times Now's tradition, I assume it's a sensible story to pursue. Breaking news, viewers! Neurologists have not yet ruled out that RSS is functioning without a brain. By the way, RSS, before you start Googling what a neurologist is, it's someone who studies the brain, the spine and the nervous system. I'll wait for expert opinion on brain and nervous system. Spine का मैं खुद बता सकती हूँ. You don't have one. Did Navika do any better? Let's just say she did the bare minimum.
The victim was gang raped on the 14th of September, but the police took 8 long days to file a case of gang rape. 8 days to file a case of gang rape.
Police took 8 long days. Guess who took 14 long days to even notice a horrific crime and the abject failure of governance? Just 3 hours away from your studio. Times Now is not alone. चलो इस निकम्मी क्लासरूम की अटेंडेंस ले लेते हैं. दीपक चौरसिया.
प्रेजेंट मैम. क्या सुशांत कंगना को इंसाफ मिलने का वक्त आ गया है?
अमीश देवगन.
प्रेजेंट मैम.
ये देश में भ्रम, झूठ लगातार फैलाते हैं, शिकस्त खाते हैं, लेकिन अपना एजेंडा नहीं छोड़ते.
Is he doing a debate on himself?
No, on the opposition.
Why am I not surprised?
आखिरकार मोदी से नफरत, क्या यही है विरोध की सियासत? कि हर बात में आप सियासत करेंगे, हर बात में आप विरोध करेंगे, क्योंकि नफरत एक इंसान से है और इस तरह बेइंतहा नफरत है कि 2014 से 2020 आ गया, लेकिन ये नफरत बढ़ती जा रही है.
रूबी का लियाकत.
प्रेजेंट मैम.
आज बड़ा खुलासा होने वाला है. शुरुआत इस बड़ी और एक्सक्लूसिव खबर से करनी है. ब्रेकिंग न्यूज ये है.
क्या है?
कि बॉलीवुड के 3 नामी गिरामी सुपरस्टार्स को एनसीबी की तरफ से समन भेजा जा सकता है. यानी बॉलीवुड के ये 3 सुपरस्टार अब ड्रग्स के जाल में फंस सकते हैं.
वाओ, बड़ी ब्रेकिंग न्यूज है कि बॉलीवुड के किसी एक्टर को बुलाया जा सकता है. वहां किसी की मौत हो चुकी है, लेकिन बड़ी खबर है कि पूछताछ के लिए बुलाया जा सकता है. ये तो वही बात हो गई कि रूबिका लियाकत पत्रकारिता कर सकती है. जब करेगी तब बताना. आगे बढ़ो.
SRA, हम इसके आगे आपको नहीं बता सकते हैं. ये 3 सुपरस्टार्स, इनिशियल्स SRA. ये लोग कौन हैं? अभी इस नाम का खुलासा हम नहीं करने वाले हैं, लेकिन इन तीनों को समन जाने वाला है एनसीबी की तरफ से. ये पक्की खबर है.
WTF. ये 3 इनिशियल्स हैं. इससे ज्यादा हम आपको कुछ नहीं बोल सकते, लेकिन पक्की खबर है कि रूबिका, ये आपकी पत्रकारिता का सिग्नेचर है. WTF. Remember her shedding crocodile tears during the Hyderabad rape case?
मुझे गुस्सा आता है.
After these guys got done with their nightly distractions, I'm pretty sure they went back home to a sound, peaceful sleep. Meanwhile, in Hathras, Asha's family was dealt one more blow. The UP police forcibly cremated Asha without the family's approval. Asha's mother wanted her daughter to come back home one last time and cremate her according to the rituals in the morning. The UP police did not allow her that one last chance of seeing her daughter. Tanushree Pandey of India Today captured UP police's sheer cruelty on camera. अंजना, कुछ सीख लो अपनी कॉलीग से.
आप लोग चले जाओगे.
सर मुझको एक बार बस बता तो दीजिए कि बॉडी है कि क्या है. नहीं, अभी आपने मुझे बोला कि नहीं बॉडी नहीं है. क्या है सर, बॉडी है कि नहीं है?
मेरी ड्यूटी यहाँ पर है आप लोगों को इस बताने के लिए कि आप लोग आगे ना बढ़े. बस यहाँ पर
आगे नहीं बढ़ रही हूँ. आप मुझे बता दीजिए क्या चल रहा है.
आप इस बारे में डीएम साहब से पूछना आई है. डीएम साहब से आपकी बात हुई है. डीएम साहब से बात हुई है आपकी. डीएम साहब से बात हुई है आपकी. डीएम साहब से बात हुई है आपकी. डीएम साहब से बात हुई है आपकी.
NDTV's camera caught Asha's mother and other women in the village throwing themselves in front of the ambulance with police officials inside begging them to stop.
Let's now take you through
the sequence of events on how exactly this extremely shocking incident has taken place. Now what you see on your screen right now is the mother and some relatives of the girl standing at the bonnet of the ambulance. Police sitting inside saying that the body will go straight to the cremation ground. The family saying, let the daughter come back home one last time.
A day after Asha lost her life and her parents were denied basic humanity of carrying out the last rites, guess what Arnab was debating?
मस्जिद के ढांचे के गिराए जाने के पीछे कोई भी साजिश नहीं थी। लोगों ने भावुक होकर विवादित ढांचे को तोड़ दिया और सारा भारत आज कह रहा है एक आवाज में, जय श्री राम।
At some point, the joke stops being funny. Arnab spent 1 hour on Poochta Hai Bharat on this.
सारे लोग कहेंगे जय श्री राम, इनको सन्मति दे भगवान, जय श्री राम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान।
Yeah, Arnab, it's not Jai Shri Ram, Sabko Sanmati De Bhagwan. It's Ishwar Allah Tero Naam, Sabko Sanmati De Bhagwan. That's a prayer I know will have no effect on you. After 1 hour on Republic Bharat, he spent 1 more hour doing the same thing in English on The Debate.
The pseudo-secular bunch must now apologize for spreading a Babri Masjid conspiracy lie. Babri truth wins.
Another half hour on The Debate spent on what else but SRA, which by the way is fake news.
Ladies and gentlemen, in 1 week from now, we will know who the RA and S are. They will line up at the Narcotics Control Bureau in the office very soon. Tonight, these stars are in panic. They are dialing their lawyers and trying to wipe out their digital evidence as the agency is on an overdrive to dismantle the drug citadel in Bollywood.
And just a little more than 15 minutes on the Hathras victim. Over the past few days, there have been more than 18 cases of rape in Uttar Pradesh. According to the latest NCRB data, 87 rapes were committed every day in 2019 in India. Think of how many debates our primetime anchors have spent on this issue. They have spent more time shouting at imaginary injustices with no evidence, but raising their voice on a demonstrable, horrifying injustice is too much for these people to do who you watch regularly expecting news. Take a good look at these people. These are people you watch regularly, expecting them to speak truth to power. People you and your family watch them often enough, expecting that they will keep you better informed. These people fail journalism every day, and their programs are being sponsored by brands that you consume. Let me ask you a favor to break this chain. If you know anyone who watches this drivel, or you know anyone who's involved with or works at such brands that sponsor such toxic shows, share this program with them on social media, on WhatsApp, or call them over, serve them chai and make them watch it. Urge people you know to demand more from their news. You cannot allow yourself to get numbed into the brain-dead state of Rahul Shivshankar. You have to do very little to make sure more people aren't infected with this dullness of thought. You can break this cycle. At News Laundry, we've been covering this case for the past 1 week. Our correspondents Akanksha Kumar and Nidhi Suresh have got ground reports and video reports on this case. Do check them out and listen to what Akanksha and Nidhi have to say to you from Hathras.
After spending hours talking to the family about the heinous crime that had taken place with their family member, with their daughter, with their sister, when we arrived to our hotel room to sit down and write down the story in Aligarh, something that struck both of us as reporters when we switched on the TV was just 3 hours away from the national capital. Such a crime had taken place, and the primetime television was still obsessed with the Bollywood drug cartel and Sushant Singh Rajput's case.
On 27 September, we visited the girl's village and met her extended family. There was still no media presence here. The girl's mother quite earnestly took us to the field and showed us the spot where the incident had taken place. It was for the first time after the incident when she was also present there, and she broke down.
Right now we're in Hathras, and this is the road that leads to the house of the Hathras rape victim who passed away last morning at Safdarjung Hospital, New Delhi. Today her house is full of media, the road is dotted with police personnel. But 3 days ago, when we visited the family at the Aligarh hospital when she was in the ICU, the hospital was completely deserted. We found her brother sitting in the ICU ward outside. And when we spoke to them, he folded his hands and pleaded with us that it is only public outrage and media attention that could bring some justice or at least save his sister's life.
It is stories like these that you won't find on primetime television, and we at News Laundry want to bring to you.
We'd like to thank our supporters who have subscribed to us, who supported us through this journey, and appeal to more of you to subscribe to News Laundry and help us bring you the stories that we should actually be talking about.
That's right, guys. Please support the work News Laundry does. We bring you a lot of stories that primetime news anchors conveniently forget to bring you. All this costs money, and we don't depend on any advertisements for the work that we do. We don't take advertisements from Yogi ji or from Ambani ji, from Amul or from Kent. We only need you guys to step in and subscribe to News Laundry so we can continue doing the work we do. That's all the nuisance we have for you today. We'll be back next week. Until then, stay mad. That's the only way. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this episode. If you like this episode, please like it. Please don't forget to watch our ground report from Hathras. Please read our reports also and share them with everyone that you know. Share this video also with all your friends and family. And keep promoting News Laundry's work, but don't forget we need your subscriptions. That's the most important thing about promoting us. You need to subscribe to newslaundry.com. It's as cheap as 300 rupees a month, which is not much. So please log on to newslaundry.com/subscription, subscribe and pay to keep news free.